Discuss about the agriculture current affair of May 2020 with MCQ and explanation. Let's start. First important question is the saffron cultivated and harvested in Karwa Highland of which Indian state or union territory has got GI tag recently? Options are Goa, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Meghalaya or Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Now come to the explanation. After Chakhau, the black rice of Manipur, Gorakhpur terracotta and Kovalpatti Kadlai Mithai, the Kashmir saffron cultivated and harvested in Kerwa Highland of Jammu and Kashmir get geographical indication tag by Geographical Indication Registry. Iran is the highest producer of the saffron in the world. Second important question is, according to Tribal Affairs Ministry, the minimum support price of minor forest produce of how many items has been raised recently? The options is 16, 25, 36 or 49. The correct answer is 49. As per the order issued by Tribal Affairs Ministry, the minimum support price for minor forest produce of 49 items was raised in view of circumstances rising out of COVID-19, which has also started that the MSP of minor forest produce is revised once in every 3 years by the pricing cell continued by Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The increased various items of minor forest produce range from 16% to 66%. Third important question is, for which sector the central government has introduced new scheme of providing interest subvention of 2% per annum for working capital loan in May 2020. Options are pharmaceutical sector, tourism sector, mining sector or dairy sector. The answer is dairy sector. Now come to the explanation. Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry, Dairying has introduced a new scheme, interest subvention on working capital loan for dairy sector for supporting dairy cooperatives and farmer produce organizations which are directly engaged in dairy activities. Fourth important question is, as per Department of Agriculture, Corporation and Farmers Welfare, third advance estimate of production of major crops for 2019-20, what is the total food grain production estimated of the country in 2019-20? Options are 251.17 million ton, 285.21 million ton, 295.67 million ton or 297.10 million ton. Answer is 295.67 million ton. Now come to the explanation. According to the Department of Agriculture, Corporation and Farmer Welfare, third advance estimate of the production of major crops for 2019-20, the total food grain production in the country is estimated to achieve a record of all-time high 295.67 million ton in 2019-20 for the fourth consecutive year since 2016-17 crop year June-July. Fifth important question is, what is the total number of mandis that was integrated with the e-NAM platform of Electronic Agriculture Trading Portal as on May 15, 2020? Options are 1000, 1500, 1200 or 900. Now come to the correct answer. Correct answer is 1000. Now come to the explanation. On 15 May 2020, the Ministry of Agriculture announced that the e-NAM reached 1000 mandis across the nation in 18 states and 3 union territories, with 38 new mandis integrated with e-NAM platform of Electronic Agriculture Trading Portal. Sixth important question is, the central government has allocated dash to fund agriculture infrastructure project at farm gate and aggregation point. The fund will be financed and managed by NABARD. Options are 5 lakh crore, 50,000 crore, 25,000 crore or 1 lakh crore. The correct answer is 1 lakh crore. Now come to the explanation. The central government has allocated rupees 1 lakh crore to fund agriculture infrastructure project at farm gate and aggregation point. This fund will be financed and managed by NABARD. This fund will be used to the setting up of cold chain and post-harvest management infrastructure. Seventh important question is, the central government along with which state government has linked two loan agreement of $145 million each with World Bank and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank for irrigation and flood management project of $413.8 million. Options are Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Maharashtra or Goa. The correct answer is West Bengal. Now come to the explanation. The Government of India and West Bengal government has linked two loan agreement for the West Bengal major irrigation and flood management project to improve irrigation service and flood management in Damodar Valley command area of West Bengal. Eighth important question is, which Indian state has rolled out Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana for farmers? Options are Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Kerala or Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Now come to the explanation. The state government of Chhattisgarh had launched its ambitious Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana on 21 May 2020 on 29th death anniversary of former Prime Minister Sri Rajiv Gandhi to encourage crop production in the state and give the farmer the right price to their produce. Ninth important question is, the mango department of which Indian state signed a MOU with Flipkart to support mango farmers? Options are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Odisha or Karnataka. The correct answer is Karnataka. Now come to the explanation. The Karnataka State Mango Department and Marketing Corporation Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with Flipkart to support the mango farmer in a mango season to sell their produce through online platform Flipkart. Now the 10th important question is for you. Name the plan which was the part of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana to modernize the fishery sector. Options are Mitra Sagar, Swat Sagar, Suman Sagar or Sea Environment. Comment your answer in comment box. These are the some important agriculture current affair from Agriculture Current Affair May 2020. If you want to read the detailed current affair of May 2020, you can check out the link given in the description. If you are preparing for any agriculture related competitive examination, you can download AgriLearner app free of the cost from the Play Store. Link given in the description. Don't forget to leave your review about this video and suggest us next topic. Thank you.